Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you 5 different ways in which you can style a gorgeous velvet dupatta like this one. This one is a gorgeous maroon velvet dupatta with kota patti work. So I had got it from Amazon a few months back and I will have the link in the description box. So in this video I'm going to create 5 different looks using this dupatta. And before starting this video, I just want to really thank you guys for connecting with me on Instagram and letting me know how my videos help you guys in creating different outfits, how you take inspiration from the looks that I create and come up with your own ideas. A few of you even shared pictures with me. Thank you so much for doing that. I'm going to share a very special outfit that a subscriber of mine sent me on Instagram. She had created this look getting inspired by an outfit that I had created in the past using this velvet dupatta. So I will share that look with you. So before starting this video, I'd really like to request you guys to share my videos with your friends and family. It will really help me out and will also really motivate me. So kindly share my videos with your friends and ask them to share with others as well. I also wanted to share that I will have a new video every day in March. Leaving Sundays, I will have like 6 videos every week in March. So definitely subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on my videos. Now let's just start with the video. So like I mentioned before, I have used this maroon velvet dupatta to create all of the looks, and the first look that I created is the one with this green velvet kurta, and it also comes with matching pants, and I'm wearing my favorite pair of heels with it. The kurta has beautiful work in front with a tie-up detail. This is such a royal emerald green velvet kurta and it looks really nice on its own, but if you want to take your outfit to the next level, you can pair it up with this gorgeous maroon velvet dupatta and you will be able to create this grand outfit. For my jewelry, I'm just wearing these simple chandbali earrings with maroon stones and carrying this maroon velvet Potli bag to complete the look. This look is just perfect for any Indian wedding function. You can see how the dupatta has added so much of elegance to the look. Since the kurta is also in a velvet fabric, the dupatta has really added to the richness of the velvet kurta. Honestly, it has elevated the look. Green and maroon are complementing colors, so they work really well together. And I love the way this outfit turned out. So this was the first look using this velvet dupatta. For look number 2, if you want to glamorize a simple plain kurta set, then you can do that very easily just by adding a really nice dupatta like this. Like here I'm wearing this plain kurta and pants set and I'm just going to casually drape the velvet dupatta on one side. Since it is a velvet dupatta, it is adding so much of richness to the look. It's making this simple kurta really festive. If you wish, you can also drape the dupatta in different styles, like drape it how it's normally done, or take it around your arms, or just leave it on one side. For jewelry, I'm wearing this necklace with Kundan and ruby stones. Also wearing the matching earrings. This jewelry set is really complementing the outfit. And this is the finished look. A velvet dupatta like this one can really elevate any simple outfit. For the third look, I've created this draped sari look using a jumpsuit and of course this dupatta. So I'm wearing this black jumpsuit and I have draped this beautiful dupatta and I have pinned it up and draped it like the pallu of a sari, and you can see how beautiful it looks. It looks really elegant and classy. I just wish the dupatta was a little bit longer in length. For accessories, I'm just wearing these jhumka earrings from Zaveri Pearls along with this beautiful bracelet, and I'm carrying a golden sling bag to complete the look. If you have a longer dupatta, then this drape will look even better. So this one was the third look. For look number 4, I'm wearing this green organza sari with this beautiful maroon velvet blouse. This is one of my most favorite blouses that I got from Amazon. I will also put whatever links I can find in the description box. Definitely check out the description box for outfit details. I've just casually taken the dupatta and draped it on one side, just to add this extra layer, and honestly this one looks really nice. And I know we are approaching summers, but sometimes it gets a little bit chilly in the evening, so velvet dupatta like this comes really handy, and you can just throw it on one side casually and pair it with your beautiful saris to create a look like this. For my jewelry, I'm just wearing this layered pearl necklace with these really small pearl earrings. This jewelry is looking so classy and elegant paired with the sari. Carrying this golden metallic clutch bag to complete the look. So this was the 4th look. Now moving on to the last and final look. The last outfit I have shared in a previous video. So I've created like this lehenga look with this maroon maxi skirt and this gorgeous embroidered blouse from Niharika Design Studio. And I have added this maroon velvet dupatta to complete the outfit and create this like mix and match custom lehenga. If you haven't checked out this video, I'll link it for you. You can definitely check it out. I'm going to talk about my accessories in a bit, but why this look is special is because a subscriber of mine, Mitali, shared this picture with me on Instagram, and she said that she created this outfit getting inspired from the look that I had created. So this was very special to me, and you can see she has done such a wonderful job. So if you do end up recreating my outfits, definitely share pictures with me on Instagram. Now coming back to the look. For my jewelry, I'm wearing these jhumka earrings from Zaveri Pearls, and I have completed the look with this gorgeous pearl and rhinestone bag, and this is the finished look. So that is how you can pair this gorgeous dupatta with your outfits. You can pair it up with a sari, with your maxi skirts, and create like a really nice lehenga. You can also team it up with a jumpsuit and create like an Indo-Western fusion kind of a look. You can team it up with a plain kurta set to make the outfit a little bit festive, and you can also pair it up with a heavy kurta set and make the look even better. So that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, then please do share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, because I will have 6 videos every week in March. I just don't want you guys to miss out on my videos because I really work hard on them. That is it. You can check out my other videos right here. I'm sure you're going to love them, and I'll have my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.